In compliance with the directive of the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State CP Oluomo, to drastically reduce the crime rate in Lagos State and its environs, it has facilitated the Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of Area M, ACP Gbenga Adeoye, on a familiarization visit to Ikotun Divisional Police Station, Isheri-Oshun Divisional Police Station, and Igondo divisions, respectively, while interacting with the officers and men of the Nigeria Police Force serving in Ikotun Division, led by CSP Adagba Johnson, other senior officers and men. ACP Adeoye made the declaration during the visit by charging the officers to work professionally while on duty and deeply investigate matters without fear or favor.
The purpose is to get myself familiarized with officers and men working under my area command area, Hem Edimu, and also to meet with some stakeholders, people that are assisting the community and the police to keep the community safe. And as you know, there's need to always get ourselves abreast with the necessary modern policing principle. That's what I've come to share with my men, to the officers and men today.
In the same vein, Isheri-Oshun Divisional Headquarters was also visited by Superintendent of Police SP Basilia Onyejigbu, while officers and men serving under the division also attended the crucial meeting as a way forward to eliminate criminals within the jurisdiction. In attendance also were PCRC members, the CDA representatives, Solidero Community Policing, and other relevant stakeholders. During the interactive session, issues were raised as the residents agitated for a police van to enhance the security of lives and properties at Isheri-Oshun under Ikotun Igondo LCDA. Reacting to the matter, ACP Gbenga Adeoye also emphasized on effective collaboration from residents by giving instant and genuine information to the police. He also seized the medium to condemn assault on police officers while performing their legitimate duties under his leadership as Area M Commander.
The government have been trying to install cameras in some parts of the country, but it has not gone around yet. Yes, some few individuals may even have in their various houses, but that will only work for the confine of their houses and perhaps maybe the frontage of their houses, which means that we still need human intervention, giving information to the police before things are happening.
In Lagos, Jennifer Wosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.